welcome to BrickTech. Today we're gonna talk about difference between MP3 and MP3. I know it sounds weird, but there is two types of MP3. Even though it's exactly the same format and probably it takes exactly the same space, it's different. And the reason I know is because of Streamlabs Chatbot. Streamlabs Chatbot uses only MP3, but there is a catch. As I have been using Cyberlink Audio Director to create sounds, and I didn't know this until I made probably 50 of them, and yeah, it's a long story. However, I do like this software because it's one of the softwares that, well, that I know. It's not that I tested so many of them, but it's one of the softwares that you can produce selection. Probably most of the audio softwares you can do that. However, I didn't find this option in Audacity. And on top of that, I can just tell you that Audacity produces MP3 with lowercase MP, which is brilliant for this particular software. In normal case, there is no point of converting it again and changing it because Windows will read it. Most of your players will probably read it as well. Your MP3 player will probably read it, but this piece just doesn't. So after spending some time, well, quite a bit of time creating the sounds, decided to load the first one, and it went like, and I'm thinking like, what the heck did I produce those sounds in? And it was MP3, but it was with capital MP. And I was really puzzled. So when I done the research online and what's the difference, I found one post on forum that there isn't any. So why create two different, well, two the same extensions, MP3 extensions, just named with capital? Is it a typo? Or is it something else? Maybe there is something I don't know. So if you do, let me know in the comments. I will look into it and we'll make another video saying that I was wrong in the previous one, maybe. Anyway, let's get on with it. I'll show you quickly. Let me find some sounds, and I have them in music. This is 100 greatest one-liners from the movie, and I think they are, let's see, Before the Kill. We have that. This is a really long audio, so if we just make few short samples and we hit produce, even though format says MP3 files and lowercase MP3, don't be fooled by this. It doesn't work that way. So we have this. We go to properties, and it's capital MP3. So now, when you try to load this into this software, sound files, add sound, say this, pick, and it's here, and it's here, and it's here, and it's awesome. So I'm really, really happy. I have 50 sounds ready, and I'm loading the first one. Automatically generate the command preview.
Oh, boys!
And it works, and it's awesome. Click can't use blah 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 as a sound file. Okay, the only supported format is MP3. I'm like, I did create an MP3, and there is like awkward silence and brainstorm. What? Why? And yeah, this is the reason for this video, because I found that option somehow, somewhere. But if you have one audio or two or three, yeah, you can convert them, or you can produce them in different format, and then find the software to convert them to MP3. But now the question is, if you find the software to convert them to MP3, will your software convert this to MP3 with the lowercase or with a capital? So, and then on top of that, you have to find the software. And most of the cases, if you want a decent software, you have to put some money towards it. Maybe not much. There is probably few free softwares, but I never looked for it because I found this option. So if you let's create another one. Let's do this. Produce audio, and we go 1, and it's here. And let's just some random stuff. There, produce audio, and that's gonna be 2. Produce, yeah, that's ready. So we have 3 of them. That should be enough. We already know it doesn't load in this software. Now, what we can do is we can close this. All the comments needed will be in the description. So if you have any questions, just write a comment. I will try to respond as quick as possible to it. And if you type CMD and open that super black magic window that does witchcraft, and well, I don't even know what it does, but I know what it's gonna do now because I'm gonna type something and it's gonna find it. So if you type CD space C colon, and where is my not the bar, backslash, and name of the folder you created. So I would recommend to create the folder in a drive without any subfolders because it's easier for the comments. So my folder is named sounds. So we change the directory. CD is change directory. We have sounds. Now you type dir. It's going to show you all the files in the directory. And you can see they are all capital MP3s. Now the next command will be rename space. I'm going to call this asterisk, but it's asterisk. Yeah, asterisk. Full stop, I think. MP3. Another asterisk. Asterisk. Yeah. Space. Aster. Full stop. Back. And enter. So now if you check dir, as you can see, they changed to back file. You can't convert MP3 to MP3. I tried, it just doesn't work. So now it's going to be the same command, but from back to lowercase MP3. I'm just going to copy and paste that. I was trying to make it shorter and lost a few minutes. Oh yeah, now it went. So you can check here. Here they are all lowercase MP3. So I wonder if it's gonna.
Oh, boys!
Reduce MP3. So it still reads the previous sound. Oh, let's see. No.
Oh, boys!
You know what? Let me just try something. Ooh. Let's create another sound, because I might have found option. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Where is my music? Come on, load up, load up, load up. Yeah, so anyway, that's the quickest way of converting large amount of files to different formats. Let's go, for example, here and create this. Produce audio, and this is gonna be 3. Use this. Okay, and this is MP3. Sound files. Let's edit this one so I don't create new one. Pick local disk sound, and number 3 is MP3. And of course, loading this won't work. But what if we wait, what? Okay. Okay, yeah. Anyway, this is how you convert. This is how you waste time by using commands and convert capital MP3 to lowercase MP3 for the software that you don't need to, because you can change the name while loading it. Very smart. I don't know if I should cry now. So, on top of what we talked about before, we have learned another way to do this. And you probably gonna be laughing, and you probably knew this already, but I didn't even realize that you can... Well, that really? What? I didn't even realize I can change the... Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please thumbs up. You can leave the... you can subscribe to the channel for more time-wasting exercises. And take care now. Bye-bye then.